Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change Binance time zone. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in binance.com on the URL bar. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, hover your mouse to your profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. You can find various options in the drop-down menu. Go to Settings option. Now, scroll down a little. Under Preference tab, you can see UTC time zone. Click on Edit button. Here, you can select any one of the time zone from here. Select the desired time zone from here and click on Confirm button. So that is how you can change time zone in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.